Hey, welcome back to Frank's Favorite Foods, where I'm always cooking up a good time. This is the channel where I teach you how to make restaurant quality food at home. With the temperatures here in South Florida in the low 30s, it's time for me to make some split pea soup. This is simple, delicious, stick to your ribs comfort food. It tastes unbelievable, it's easy to make. I'm going to show you how right now. If you're not a subscriber, you should be. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you never miss a single episode. And as always, you'll find the full recipe in the description below. Start with equal parts chopped celery, onion, and carrot. Sauté in olive oil for about 2 minutes or until tender. Next, add freshly minced garlic. Please don't use the stuff that's been sitting in a jar in your pantry for the last year and a half. You can thank me later. Sauté that mixture on low to medium heat for about another 90 seconds, making sure that the garlic does not turn brown. Next, I'm going to add the chicken stock. I'm going to add 6 cups at this point. I eventually use 8, but I use less chicken stock to start with because you can always add more, but you can't take it back out. You also notice that I've added the lentils. I'm seasoning with freshly ground black pepper, 2 small bay leaves, dried oregano, thyme, and parsley. I tasted for salt and it seems like it needs just a pinch. I'm going to give everything a quick stir before I add the pork. Let me say that this portion of the recipe is completely optional. If you don't want any meat in your soup, feel free to leave it out. I'm using a sliced salt pork product that you can find in just about any grocery store, and it really adds a lot of flavor to this soup. Covering the soup is really important as you don't want it to reduce, you just want the flavors to concentrate. After about 30 minutes of time, I'm going to add some dry white wine, which is also optional. Pardon me while I pontificate. I'll try and be brief. Cooking with white wine adds depth and flavor. The intricacies of the wine are lost during the cooking process. But if you want to cook with $50 Chardonnay, be my guest. This lovely non-vintage $4 American Chardonnay worked just fine for me. Next, I'm going to add some cubed red potatoes. Add a little bit more of the chicken broth. Put the lid back on. Let it go for about another half an hour. And then it's soup time. I love the texture. The starch from the potatoes has helped to thicken up the lentil soup. Most of the pieces of pork are still intact, so if you don't really like eating pork, you can remove them. I'm adding the last of the chicken stock just to achieve what I consider to be the perfect consistency. And here we go. This is exactly the kind of meal that you want to eat when you're coming in from the cold, or if you happen to have spent your day protesting the goon squad known as ICE. Either way, stay warm and enjoy this lentil soup. If you're not a subscriber, you should be. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know every single time I put out a new video. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. Sharing my channel really helps it to grow. So if you know someone who you think would appreciate this channel, please share it with them. I'll see you next time.